On January 14, 2022, Trimble Business Center has released a new patch 5.6.2. Here I'm gonna go through some release notes and through installation. If on your start page here on the right hand side, you can see that it's available. I usually go on my support tab to check updates, and it's gonna list all the updates which are available, and one of them is Trimble Business Center patch 5.6.2, and it's just gonna tell you, hey, it includes all the improvements in the release note. I like to click here down is saved update before installing. Since I'm always updating multiple computers, then I don't have to download it each time. And this one is just a little one, about 140 meg, so it's not a big deal. But when you come to some of them are quite large, quite substantial, so that's where this comes in handy. I have already downloaded this before. I'm gonna go ahead and close Business Center and run the patch so you guys can see how long does it take. Again, all depends on your speed of internet and how fast your computer is. Oh, it's already started, it's doing some background prep. And once we hit update, it's just gonna go. The reason why you want to update is what happened on 13th. Two of my computers have logged me out of my TID, and I was not able to log in. It was giving me an error. This patch actually fixes that. As you guys seen on my post here on LinkedIn and our group, I have posted an article while we're waiting for it to update on and the same day that 5.60.2 first fixes after updating to 5.6.1 using checkbox updates command, user were unable to sign into their Trimble Identity, and that's what happened to me. And it kind of sucked because I wasn't able to utilize my new template which lives on the cloud. And then also some people experience when using the WorksManager Design Manager command to push their data from TBC to WorksManager. The VCL file was not written when the Cleanup VCL file property was set to yes. So these were two major improvements. They also include this 5.6.2 includes all the enhancement and resolved issues as a 5.6.1. Either order, right? If you install 5.6.2, it includes all the updates from 5.6.1. We are about a quarter of thing done. Let's speed up here until it gets to the end. Oh, I don't even have to speed up. It seems like it sped it up itself. We are done here. I'm gonna hit finish and we can jump right away to the Trimble Business Center. Let's open it up and let's see if it's gonna actually tell us. No, it still says 5.60. They did not update the initial header. Well, let's see if we can get to the official readme notes from Business Center itself. Business Center is open. We're gonna go to the support tab right out of the bat, and we're gonna click here and click about. And yes, this number has the release number has obviously grown up, but it still says 5.60. And we should be able to click on the release notes, which will open up a new tab. And once we hit view, I went to 5.6 obviously, so this is 5.6.1. And yeah, this one doesn't include, still nothing here. The way I got to the release notes is I went into community and I was able to find it, and this readme includes 5.6.1 and 5.6.2, and like I said, I already posted the 5.6.2 for you guys. If you want this document, just hit me up on my any of my social media, and I can send you the document. Okay, well, we'll see you next time.